What if I told you that the fate of our planet's climate and our own future doesn't sit on land, but deep beneath the waves? The world's oceans are more than just stunning blue expanses. They're the ultimate climate machine, silently steering storms, shaping seasons, and even determining where humans can thrive. Today, let's dive into the hidden power of the ocean and why understanding it is key to our survival on Earth. The ocean covers more than 70% of our planet's surface. But its true influence goes far deeper than its size. The ocean acts like a massive heat sponge, absorbing and redistributing the sun's energy. In fact, over 90% of the excess heat trapped by greenhouse gases ends up in the ocean, not in the air. Just imagine, without the ocean, the surface of the Earth would swing from scorching days to freezing nights, much like a desert. Instead, our oceans keep temperatures relatively stable, making life as we know it possible. But how does the ocean do it? The secret lies in its currents. Think of them as a giant conveyor belt, constantly moving warm water from the equator toward the poles and sending cold water back again. You might have heard of the Gulf Stream. This powerful current keeps Western Europe much warmer than other places at the same latitude. This global conveyor belt, called thermohaline circulation, is driven by differences in water temperature and saltiness. It takes about 1,000 years for a drop of water to make the full journey. These currents distribute heat, carbon, and nutrients around the world, shaping climates and marine life everywhere. The ocean isn't just a slow, steady influence. Sometimes it shakes things up in dramatic ways. Enter El Niño, a climate pattern that starts with a patch of warm water in the Pacific Ocean, but can unleash chaos across the globe. During El Niño years, weather patterns flip. Some regions get floods, others suffer drought. Crops fail, wildfires rage, and economies feel the hit, all because of a subtle shift in ocean temperatures thousands of kilometers away. The ocean's power to drive weather, for better or worse, is truly global. But the ocean's role doesn't stop at heat. It's also Earth's largest carbon sink, sucking up about a quarter of the carbon dioxide we emit each year. Tiny marine plants, called phytoplankton, drifting near the surface, use sunlight to absorb CO2 and release oxygen, a process that supports the ocean food chain and gives us half the oxygen we breathe. However, as we pump more carbon into the air, the ocean absorbs more, at a cost. The water becomes more acidic, threatening corals, shellfish, and the very plankton that sustain ocean life. Today, the ocean's ability to protect us is under threat. Warming seas are melting polar ice, raising sea levels, and fueling more intense storms. Acidification is weakening ecosystems that feed millions. If ocean currents slow or shift, a real risk as the planet warms, whole regions could face drastic climate changes. Our security, food, and even the air we breathe depend on a healthy ocean, yet we're pushing it to its limits. But there's hope. Scientists are racing to decode the ocean's mysteries, from mapping currents to restoring coral reefs. Every effort to cut carbon emissions, protect marine habitats, and fish sustainably helps the ocean and us stay resilient. Simple choices like reducing plastic, supporting ocean-friendly policies, or learning more about the sea have ripple effects around the globe. Our future is inseparable from the ocean's future. By understanding and protecting the ocean, we're investing in a stable climate, healthy food, and a planet where life can flourish. So, next time you look at the sea, remember, it's not just water, it's the beating heart of Earth's climate and the key to our tomorrow. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want to learn more about our amazing planet, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and let us know in the comments, what ocean mystery should we explore next? Thanks for watching, and let's keep our oceans blue.